invested in the scheme. We required investment value. For the first statement, if the sum were 600 more, simple interest received after 1 year would be how much? 120 or more. If principal are more, interest also more, how many rupees are extra getting? 120 more. Suppose principal value already we are considered P. In that how many rupees are extra? 600. P plus 600 means that is new principal or old principal? New principal. But he getting how many rupees are extra interest? 120. Means new interest will be I plus 120 or I plus 120. Principal are changed, interest also changed. How much principal are extra? 600. How much interest are extra getting? 120. That 120 is 1 year interest or 2 years interest? 1 year interest. Okay. 120 is what percent of 600? 120 is what percent of 600? 20%. Means per annum interest in terms of rate of percent is how much? 20%. Means R is how much? 20%. R is 20%. But we required which one? Investment value. Means we required again principal or for the second only first one is sufficient? No. For the second statement, difference between the compound interest and simple interest and sum after 2 years at a certain rate of interest is how much? 120. For the 2 years difference, R percent of principal equal to difference in 2 years. Okay. In this one, difference in 2 years are given, but R is unknown, P also unknown. How many unknowns? 2 unknowns. Means only second alone not sufficient. By using both the statements, SN, substitute the R value in second one, we are get the principal N, because already we know the difference in 2 years. In place of difference in 2 years, 120 are given, R value 20 is given. Next, we required which one? P value N. Yes or no? By using both the statements, we are get the answer. Mr. 177. Two vehicles X and Y. Two vehicles X and Y are initially Z kilometers apart, and then what is the value of Z if they started traveling towards each other simultaneously? Means we required distance value or time value. Distance, initially it is how many kilometers? Z kilometers. Means we required distance or time? Distance. For the first statement, speed of the X is 20% more than the speed of the Y, and they meet each other after traveling for a total of 2.5 hours. Normally distance equal to written speed multiplied by time. In first statement, one speed compared to another one speed, more or less? More, but both are moving in travels towards each other, means opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction. But speeds ratio are given or speeds are given? Speeds ratio. 20% more means one will be 5 part speed, another one 6 part speed. From first statement we are get the only speeds ratio 6:5. Time also given how many hours? 2.5 hours. But there is no clarity about the individual speeds. Only one alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. For the second one, difference between the speed of X and Y is 5 km per hour. X is greater than Y1, means S1 minus S2 equal to how much value are given? 5. Only 2 alone is not sufficient. By using both the statement, SN, because in first statement already we know the ratio. In second statement, difference of the speeds are given. Then we get the relative speed in both the objects. 6 plus 5, how many parts? 11 parts. 1 part are 5 means 11 parts are 55 into how many hours? 2.5 hours. We are get the distance. By using both the statements, we are get the answer. Next question number 178. For the present age of A, we required which one age? A. First statement, the difference between the ages of B and A and B is how many years? 5 years. Means B minus A equal to how many years? 5 years. Only one alone? Not sufficient. For the second statement, B is 2 years elder to C. Product of the present age of A and C is how much? 154. B is elder to C means B and C difference is how many years? 2 years. And one more, A into C equal to how much? 154. Only 2 alone, because how many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns are there. two unknowns. Suppose in place of C we written B minus 2 unknown. In place of C we written B minus 2. Substitute the B in place of C we written B minus 2 unknown. In that case also again how many unknowns are there? Two unknowns are there. Only 2 alone not sufficient. By using both the statements, yes sir, because in place of C we written how much? B minus 2 unknown. C equal to how much? B minus 2, and already we know A into C equal to how much? 154, means A into B minus 2 equal to how much value? 154. Already we know the B minus A relational. By using these two we are get the A comma B individual values, because linear equation are B equal to we written A plus 5, B equal to A plus 5. In place of B we are substitute which one? A plus 5 minus 2 means A into A plus 3, that is equal to how much? 154, means A we are getting 11. Another one B 14, 11 into 14 154, means A value or 11 is getting A into which one? A plus 3, A 11, A plus 3, 14, means A must be 11. By using both the statements we are get the answer. Next question number 179. The average of 4 numbers is 84. What is the value of the number B? The required B number. Statement 1, ABD average are given. Statement 2, average of C and D are given. Only one alone? Only two alone? No. By using both? No. Then answer, both 1 and together are not sufficient. Then answer, neither 1 nor 2. Which option? Fifth one. Because in first statement we are get the only C value. In second statement we are get the A plus B relation. A plus B relation. If we are using both the statements, substitute the A plus B in first statement, again we are get the which one? D value. We are not get the A value and B value individually, but we are get the A and B values combination. A plus B combination are getting. Next, 180. The market price of a mouse is given. Mouse is 60 more than the cost price. What is the selling price of the mouse? Market price is 60 more than the cost price, but we required selling price of the mouse. And here what is the first statement are given? Amount of discount offered on the market price of a mouse while selling is 30. For the second statement, a loss of 12 rupees is occurred when the mouse is sold at 60% discount. First of all, market price compared to cost price, how many rupees are more? 60 more. Suppose CP are 100%, market price are 100% plus 60. For the first statement, amount of discount offered on the market price while selling is how many rupees? 30. Means out of market price, how many rupees are discount is given? 30 rupees. Means selling price is how much? 100% plus 30. 100% plus 30. But we required which one? Selling price. We are not get the exact value, because 100% plus 30 are getting, but we don't know the 100% value. Okay, only one alone not sufficient. Or the second one, a loss of 12 rupees occurred when the mouse is sold at a 60% discount. Loss of 12 rupees, but it is sold at 60% discount. 60% discount means selling price is 40% of market price. Or the market price here 100% plus 60. 40% of 100% plus 60, that is selling price. It is also equal to which one? Cost price minus loss. What the cost price here? 100%. Loss means minus 12. What the left hand side? After discount selling price. Right hand side cost price minus loss. We are get the which one? We are get the 1% value. If we know the 1%, obviously we are get the 100%. or substitute the 1% value either left hand side or right hand side, we are get the selling price or cost price. Selling price or 60% discount means selling price is 40% of market price. Next, last 12 rupees means we return cost price minus loss. Okay, only 2 alone is sufficient. Next question number 181. A shopkeeper purchased 3 articles P, Q, R. Market price of article R is 300 more than the cost price of article P, and selling price of the article P is 84% of the market price of the article R. Market price of article Q is 20% more than the cost price of article P, and selling price of article Q is 380 less than the. You are not required all the lines. R is sold at a loss of how much? 12.5%. Selling cost price and selling price of article R is how much? 1875. How many articles are there? 3 articles. P, Q, R, and each one cost price, selling price, market price. Okay, and here what is the last 2 lines? 12.5% loss or gain. Loss means 1/8 loss. 1/8 loss means CPR 8 parts. Selling price are 7 parts. Total how many parts? 15 parts. 15 parts. That 15 parts equal to how much? 1875. It is only for relation between R value or not. Okay, 12.5% means what is the fraction? 1/8. 1/8 means loss is how many parts? 1 part. Cost price is how many parts? 8 parts. Means selling price are 7 parts. CPR 8 parts. SPR 7 parts. Total how many parts? 15 parts. What is the 15 parts value? 1875. 15 how many times? 1, 2, 5. Every 1 part we return how much? 125. What is the 8 parts value? 8 parts is how much? 1000. Means cost price of R is how much? 1000. R cost price is how much? 1000. R selling price 875. 875. And one more. What is the starting line are given? Starting line. Market price of article R is 300 more than the cost price of article P. There is no clarity on. But selling price of article P is 84% of the market price of article R. No clarity. Next. Suppose market price of article R we are consider 100%. Market price of article R we are consider 100%. Market price of article R 100%. And here selling price of article P is 84% of the which one? Market price of article R. Means selling price of article P is how much? 84% of market price of article R. Next, what the starting line is given? Market price of article R is 300 more than the cost price of article P. Means 100% value is 300 more. Means cost price of article P is how much? 100% minus 300 or plus 300? Minus 300. Okay. Next. Market price of article Q is 20% more than the which one? Cost price of article Q. Already cost price of article P is how much? 100% minus 300. Compared to that one, how much percent or more? 20% more. 20% more means it will be 120% of 100% minus 300 means it will be written 120% minus 360 120% minus 360. Again, selling price of article Q is 380 less than the market price of article R. Selling price of article Q is 380 less than the market price of article R. Or the R market price 100%. Compared to that one, 380 less means 100% minus 380. Next, and one more, market price of article Q is 80% more than its cost price. Means Q market price compared to Q cost price, how much percent or more? 80% more. Means this value compared to this one, how much percent or more? 80% more. Means 80% more means it will be considered 180%. For the 180% value, 120% minus 360. Then 100% value is how much? 20 how many times? 5. 20 how many times? 9. Any other calculations? 3 times 3 40 and 3 120. Okay, this one we written 5 into 40, 200% minus 600 by 300. 200% minus 600 by 3. That is which one cost price? Q cost price. Q cost price we written how much? 200% minus 600 by how much value? 300. Okay. What the next line is? Market price of article Q is 240 less than the article P. Market price of article Q. Market price of article Q is 240 less than the which one? Article P. Means Q market price compared to P market price, how much value or less? 240 less. Means P market price written 120%. Reversal plus 240 or minus 240? Plus 240. Means written 120% minus 120. 120% minus 120. Actually 120% minus 360 value compared to first one, how much value or less? 240 less. 240 less means written 120% minus 120 minus 240. Total it is 120% minus 360. Reverse are given. Next, what is the next one? All the data are clear. What the last line is given? Selling price of article P is 140 more than the selling price of article Q. Means these two difference are given. These two difference is how much? 140 difference. Means one will be 84%, another one are 100% minus 380. That is equal to, these two difference are equal to how much? 140. 84 and 100 difference is 16. Negative 16 becomes positive 16 or negative of negative positive, means plus 380. 380 minus 140, 240 or 16% is how much? 240. 16 how many times? 15 times or 16 how many times? 15 times. Means we are get the 1% value is how much? 15. 1% are 15. Then we return all the values. What is the 100%? 1500. What is the 120% minus 360? 1400. 40. 1440. 100% minus 380. 1500 minus 380. 1120. 1120. Q cost price 200% minus 600. That is 3000 minus 600 means 2400. By 3 means 800. Next, 100% minus 300. 1% 15. 100% 1500. Minus 300 means 1200. Next, 84%. 84 into 15. 840 plus 420. 1260. Next 120% minus 120. 1800 minus 120. 1680. 1680. Actually, without writing Q also we are get the answer. Without writing Q also. Because here already relation between selling price and cost, selling price of the P and selling price of Q is given. Already we know that these two statements are. Directly we are taken those two. We are get the 1% value. Substitute the 1% value. After that we are get the Q value, Q cost price and P market price. Without solving this one also. Without solving this one. Okay. Next. What are the questions? Direct questions all are. Next 186. 186. No. The table, the information about the internet service provided brand used by the people. Total number of people in the particular city is given how much? 7,000. The table shows the distribution of percentage of males and females. You used 5 service provider brands are. And here total how many brands are there? 5 brands. And total is how many members are given? 7,000. That is consider male plus female equal to how much? 7,000. Okay. All the males are adding, it will be how much percent? 100%. All the females are adding, it will be 100%. Okay. What the note is given? Number of male users use Airtel Extreme are 420 more than the female users Airtel Extreme. What the Airtel Extreme male value? 24%. Means written 24% of total males plus female users in Airtel Extreme 18%. Means written 18% of total females. These two are adding, that is equal to how much? 420. Difference are given or sum? Difference. Means these two difference is how much? 420. First 6 how many times? 3 or 4? 4 times, and here 3 times. Percentage, it will become right hand side into 100. And here 6 how many times? 70. 70 into 100 means 7,000. One will be M plus F, another one are 4M minus 3F. Equal or different? Equal. In second equation we are getting 4M minus 3F equal to how much? 7,000. For the second equation, 4M percentage and 3F percentage. Percentage means denominator 100. It will become right hand side into 100. Means 70 into 100. 7,000. 4M minus 3F equal to 7,000. Already M plus F also 7,000. And what is the difference between 4M and M? 3M. And F and 3F. Total it is 4F. Means male and female are in which ratio? 4:3. Males is how many parts? 4 parts. Females are 3 parts. 4 parts means it is how many members? 4,000 members. 3 parts means 3,000 members. Okay. Means entire males we are consider how many members? 4,000. Entire females we are consider 3,000. Okay. What is the first question? Total number of female users in all the streams are. What are the total females? 3,000. Male data is calculated on 4,000. Female data is calculated on 3,000. Next 191 to 195. No. 197. Only one required. 197 మాట్లాడతాను, రిమైనింగ్ చూడండి. 10 and 1, what is the difference? 11 and 15, 4, 15 and 51, 36. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0. What is the sum of the digits? 1. What is the 1 square? 1. 11. What is the sum of the digits? 2. What is the 2 square? 4. 15. What is the sum of the digits? 6. 6 square. Next one, sum of the digits? 6. What is the 6 square? 36. 51 plus 36. 87. Next, 87 means what is the sum of the digits? 15. What is the 15 square? 225. 51 plus 225. Sorry, 87 plus 225. 87 kada add చేయాల్సింది. 87 plus 225. How much? 312. Same. Sum of the digits? Square. Remaining చేశారా?